Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. So in the last class we have completed with the visualizing solid shapes. In this class you are going to start with your new topic, that is algebraic expression and identities. Algebraic expressions and identities. So this is your next lesson. You are going to study algebraic expression and identity. So first of all, we are going to learn what is algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, by solving the example, we will come to know what is an algebraic expression. So see, I will give example 2x plus 3. Okay, so 2x plus 3 is an example of algebraic expression. So what is x here called? So x is called here variable. X is called as variable, and the numerical value which is multiplied with the variable is called coefficient. So 2 is called as coefficient. 2 is called as coefficient, and 3 is called as constant. 3 is called as constant. Okay. So here 2x plus 3. So this whole expression 2x plus 3. So this is called as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay. So the whole term 2x plus 3 is called algebraic expression. 2 is called as coefficient. X is called as variable. 3 is called as constant. So now we say what is an equation. Okay, so now we say what is an equation. So now 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. If we introduce one equal to sign which is equals to 5, then with this whole 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. So this we say this as equation. So this we say as equation. Okay, so 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression. 2 is a coefficient, x is a variable, 3 is a constant, and 2x plus 3 is called as algebraic expression. If introduce 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, then it is an equation. Okay, dear students. So one more example if I give, that is 2y minus 3 is equal to 6. So 2y minus 3 is equal to 6. So this is the equation. Okay, and 2 is called as coefficient, y is variable, 3 and 6 are constant. If you remove this equal to sign as 6, then 2y minus 3 is called as algebraic expression. Okay, so this is all about the algebraic introduction. Now we are going to study the terms and factors. So what are the terms and factors you are going to study? So see here, so I'll write one example, 2x square y plus 2x plus 3y. Okay, so see here, this is an algebraic expression, 2x square y plus 2x plus 3y. So write the terms. Write the terms means you have to write the separately terms. The first term is 2x square y, second term is 2x, third term is 3y. So write the factors. Write the factors of 2x square y. So 2x square, or if you want to write the factors, that it will be 2 into x into y. Yes. Similarly, write the factors of 2x means write 2 into x. Similarly, write the factors of 3y means 3 into y. Okay. So 3 into y. So 2x square y, you are having the factors as 2 into x into y. 2x is equals to having 2 into x. 3y is equals to 3 into y. So these we can write as factors, and terms are 2x square y, 2x and 3y. Okay. So this is all about the terms and factors. And also you write the coefficients. Also you can write the coefficient. For example, if it is 3x square y. Okay, so write the coefficient of x square y. So write the coefficient of x square y means it is 3. The numerical value which is multiplied to the variable is called as coefficient. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x square y is 3. Similarly, Second one we are having as 4xy. So write the coefficient of xy means you should write this as 4. Similarly, third one you are having as minus 3x square y. So write the coefficient of x square y means you can write this as minus 3. Okay. So this is about the coefficients, this is about the terms, and this is about the factors, and also you now learn what is algebraic expression, what is an equation. Okay, so now next our concept is having addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. The first one, addition operation we are learning from your previous classes. So add a plus 2b plus 3c and a plus of 2b, sorry, I will write a minus 2b plus of 6c. Okay, so add this expression. So question says a plus 2b plus 3 and a minus 2b plus 6c. Okay, so see, first I will arrange in the form of columns, that is a plus 2b plus 3c, and similarly I will write this as a minus 2b plus of 6c. Just our question is addition of algebraic expression. So a plus a, it is 2a. Similarly, plus 2b minus 2b get cancelled. Remaining is 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9c. So you are having 2a plus of 9c. So this is your required answer. So a plus a is 2a plus 3c plus of 6c. Okay. So this is about the algebraic expression addition. Okay. One more example. If I take off algebraic expression, one more example. So this will be 3a plus 5a minus 9 and similarly 2a minus 5a plus 4. Okay, so add this algebraic expression if I say means, so this will be 3a plus 5a minus 9 plus you are having as 2a minus of 5a plus of 4. Okay, so that is 3a plus 2a is equals to you are having 5a plus 5a minus 5 get cancelled. So 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 will be 5, and by seeing the greater number we keep this sign. So 5a minus 5 or 5 into bracket a minus 1 is your required answer. Okay, so this is all about the addition of algebraic expression. In addition of algebraic expression, first we arrange in the form of columns. 3a plus 2a is already it is 5a plus 5a minus 5a get cancelled. So this will be 3a plus 2a will be 5a, then minus 9 plus 4 you are having as minus 5 into a minus 1. So this is all about the algebraic expression, that is addition. Okay, next one you are having one more operation, that is subtraction of algebraic expression. Subtraction of algebraic expression. So subtract 2a minus 5a plus 6 from 3a minus 5a plus of 7. Okay, so subtract 2a minus 5a plus 6 from 3a minus 5a plus 7. So what is this? So see here, in the subtraction of algebraic expression, so first we will write after from which the expression is repeated. So we will write this first one. So this will be 3a minus 5a plus 7, and next write the remaining thing, that is 2a minus 5a plus 6. Okay, so as it is subtraction, whenever you are having using the subtraction operation, you have to change the signs. This plus will become this as minus, minus will become as plus, and this is plus, so this will become as minus. Okay, so now we have to see this signs. Okay, so 7 minus 6 it will be 1, and plus 5a minus 5a get cancelled. So this will be 3a minus of 2a will be a. So this will be a plus 1. Okay, so a plus 1. So this is your required answer. Okay, so first thing what I have to do, the expression will be 2a minus 5a plus 6 from 3a minus 5a plus 7. So 3a minus 5a plus 7 plus, first you have to write this one. After from which expression is repeated, you have to write that first one, 3a minus 5a plus 7 plus of 2a minus 5a plus 6. So see here, plus will become my minus. So 3a minus 2a will be a, plus 5a minus 5 get cancelled, 7 minus 6 it will be 1. So this is all about the subtraction of algebraic expression. So as I hope you have understood the introduction part of algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression you have to solve the first exercise of your algebraic expression, that is first one you are having write the terms, factors and coefficient, and second one you are having addition of algebraic expression, and third one you are having subtraction of algebraic expression. You have to solve the first exercise of algebraic expression and identities, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. I hope you will send.